I cannot get over this cocktail. We've outdone ourselves with these.
We're just gonna drop the mic real quick.
We've whipped up refreshing summer cocktails that you need to be sipping on all summer long.
A coconut mojito, a watermelon poblano margarita, and last but not least, a passionfruit strawberry limeade.
My mouth is watering.
They're all 10s, okay?
Every single one of them.
10 out of 10.
Big shout out to Bottle Rover for sponsoring this video today. If you want to make any of these cocktails at home, you can get booze delivered to your door with Bottle Rover all summer long.
All year round, really. Now let's get right into this coconut mojito.
I am ready to drink her. She's staring at me.
Yeah.
She's like, drink me.
In a shaker, muddle a handful of mint and 3 lime wedges. Add 1 ounce of coconut cream. We love our Reyes coconut cream. It is our favorite. It is our go-to. If you don't have it, get it. You're welcome. Add 2 ounces of silver rum. We're using Bacardi today.
Our go-to. Bacardi is that OG rum.
We're gonna roll our cocktail into our beautiful glass, and now we're gonna top it off with some club soda.
I'm ready to drink her.
It's a beauty. I mean, like, look at her.
Now, if you don't like to have the bits of mint leaves in your cocktail, feel free to strain it, but we just love how it looks. I think it gives it such beautiful texture. It's so appetizing. Cheers.
You can never go wrong with a mojito.
It is an experience. The aromatics are there from the mint, and the fact that we went with coconut, that's such a tropical flavor. Like, it screams island vibes.
If you ask me what is one item I would take if I was deserted in an island, it would be this coconut mojito.
Cheers to that. Now we're on to summertime cocktail number 2. This is the watermelon poblano margarita. This is a frozen watermelon margarita made with a chili poblano liqueur and topped with a watermelon salt. Are y'all ready to find out how to make it? Grab your blender and add 1.5 cups of frozen watermelon. Watermelon takes a minimum of 2 to 4 hours to freeze, so I highly recommend to prep for this cocktail the night before you want to make them. All you're gonna do is cube some fresh watermelon and then throw it in your freezer. Next, we're going in with some citrus. We're adding 1 ounce of lime juice to our blender. We're gonna sweeten these margaritas up with 1/2 ounce of agave. We're bringing in that poblano flavor with some Ancho Reyes. This is a chili poblano liqueur. We're adding 3/4 ounce of Ancho Reyes Verde to our blender. We're going in with 1.5 ounces of Terramana. We're using their silver today. There's so much flavor in this margarita. A silver tequila is perfect.
The salt with the margarita is chef's kiss.
The salt has a candy watermelon flavor. It's sweet, it's salty, it's freaking delicious.
Yes.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Get that salt.
I love that the Ancho
God.
Reyes, it comes through. It's not a spicy cocktail, but you can taste that there's like some chili, some spice in it. It's so good.
So good. If you like something with a lot of flavor, this margarita is for you.
It's so good. And now for our 3rd summertime cocktail, the Passionfruit Strawberry Limeade, also known as the Hot Girl Summer Cocktail. It's dangerously delicious, okay? I could have like a whole pitcher for myself. But before we get into this last cocktail,
like, comment, and subscribe.
thank you very much.
Now let's dive into how to make this cocktail.
In a shaker cup, you're gonna muddle 1/4 of a passion fruit and 1 whole strawberry. This combination, I have never seen it before, but let me tell you about this combination. It is so freaking good. I just can't even believe that we've never done anything with strawberry and passion fruit before. It's so freaking good. This is a limeade, so we're gonna go in with 1/2 ounce of lime juice. We're gonna sweeten up our limeade with 1 ounce of simple syrup. And now you're gonna add 1.5 ounces of vodka.
This cocktail, I think, would honestly be good with literally any type of spirit.
This would be so good with tequila.
Or even like a whiskey, I think might make this a little bit more rich too.
Whoa.
A strawberry passion fruit whiskey sour.
We're forgetting something. Top it off with some club soda. And you're ready for the pool, baby. You're ready for that boat.
I'm living for the pulp. I'm living for it.
I'm living for this whole thing.
This is the perfect sweet and sour cocktail. And no offense to Tito's, but I cannot taste the Tito's and I'm not mad at it.
I'm not mad at it.
If you're the type of person that does not like to taste the alcohol in your cocktail, this This is for you.
You will thank us later. Be sure to save all of these recipes so you can make them all summer long.